What's going on, guys? Korre here again with Mindstarter.com. I hope you guys really enjoyed the last lesson where we went over some idioms. We are going to be continuing that series, so I hope you guys are really learning something. So without further ado, let's get learning.
In America, we have the idea that one bad police officer can influence other good officers to become bad. For this situation, we can use the idiom, "A bad apple spoils the bunch." In this situation, this singer is tired of her band making mistakes. She's ready to quit. Here we can say she's fed up. We can also say this last time the band made a mistake was the straw that broke the camel's back, or the last straw. This means she can no longer tolerate the band's mistakes. Jeff's girlfriend just broke up with him. Hey, can Jeff's employee review wait until next week? Yeah, his girlfriend just left him, and I don't want to kick him while he's down. The idiom "kick someone while they're down" means to criticize, exploit, or insult someone who is already in a vulnerable position. Another idiom with a similar meaning is add insult to injury. To add insult to injury means to make an already bad situation worse.
I made an embarrassing mistake at work today. To add insult to injury, my boss scolded me in front of my entire team.
I was fired from work today. To make matters worse, I had to take the walk of shame in front of the entire office. It was so humiliating. To take something for granted means to not appreciate it. We sometimes take the earth for granted as if it will always be here for us. Jeff's girlfriend was tired of being taken for granted, so she left him.
So I hope you really enjoyed this video in our series. Remember, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also, if you're really serious about learning English, come and join us at Mindstarter.com. You'll be able to practice and rehearse all of the things that you hear us talking about, not only in sentences, but in situations and conversational English. You'll be able to practice and get a score based on how close you sound like a native speaker, and you can keep practicing until you improve. So remember, for the cost of a Netflix subscription, you can join Mindstarter.com and you can take your English to the next level. So I hope to see you there. Peace.